out here in the wild, I'm where I'm meant to be. I don't work for the man, no, I work for me. With the trees as my walls and the sky my roof, each breath I take feels like living proof. I built this life with these two hands. Out here in the wild I truly stand. The axe waits ready by the cabin wall. The woods are thick, but they'll hear my call. Deer trails winding, the hunt begins. Each step lightly placed, the forest spins. There's no clock to punch,